All right, today we're looking at the Legacy and a new level of accuracy I just achieved, and I need to get this video out. So here is a homebrew snake made out of a .95 weed whacker line. You pull it through your breech and put a patch on there. I put 2 on initially and soak that with ballistol. You can use this one, but I decided to go with 2 and give it a tight fit in there. And so initially that patch came out jet black from all the factory grime and all that. That makes me more of a believer than ever that when a gun is used or it's fresh from the factory to clean out the barrel, because I had never seen a patch that dirty. And let me make clear, I've been doing everything I could with that gun, and I could not get under 1.5 inches accuracy at 12 meters, much less 15 yards. I wasn't even showing targets from that range. So I believe it worked. You know, again, the ballistol is what I believe in, you know, soaking that down with that. And I wiped down the gun and cleaned the barrels with that. And it's a little coincidental, I started getting great accuracy, all right, with these very good pellets. So let's take a look. All right, so for the first time, the targets I'm showing are the first time I shot at something this small. So at 12 meters, that is just 1 inch. There's the coin I used to trace it, colored in. 1 inch coin. It's nearly 10 for 10. The first time I seen that from the Legacy. So it's now caught up to the 880. I'm not saying it's better. 880 has a great predictable trigger and is quiet to pump in the field. But nearly a 10 for 10 with that miss, I'm just going to joke. I'm going to call that a good miss because that would have been a hit in the field. Lined up with the target and right over the top of it. But either way, 9 out of 10. Very nice, tight grouping. And the best grouping I got with the Legacy at 12 meters. Now, what I'm about to show, I've never shown so far talking about the Legacy, is a small target at 15 yards. I wasn't showing any shooting at 15 yards because, well, it didn't look good. But, okay, so we have 8 out of 10. We had 2 stack up right there on the side. Normally, if this was an 1.5 inch target, I wouldn't be happy with that. But considering that's just 1 inch target, that would be a hit in the field. Again, one clipped edge here. But the bottom line is, all that would work in the field, and any way you cut it, 8 out of 10. And that literally is the first target and the first time I shot at something that small with that level of success. And that's comparable to the 880. I'm not saying better, but that's a big improvement. So that's with hard sights, no optics, nothing like that. So the Legacy with good pellets with these German wadcutters, and again, hammer lube, watching I pull the trigger, and that's too coincidental, folks, that I would get all this great accuracy all of a sudden and break the new highs after giving it one good cleaning. I think that's all it needed. So I'm just going to let that ride. But remember, that is just the size of that 1 inch coin. And yeah, those targets you saw both, here, let's bring it back, were the first time, literally, I'm showing on camera, the first time that I shot at targets that small with that gun because I felt it was time to try. And it definitely came through 12 meters and 15 yards. So anyway, I just want to get that out to everybody. I just feel, at least for my anniversary Legacy, that using that homebrew snake and pulling it through there with 2 patches on there soaked in ballistol, and then I would just take single patches to dry it out until it was just gray. That worked for me. So anyway, so I bring that to everybody. Yes, so the Legacy, if you do everything right, can give you 1 inch accuracy at 15 yards with hard sights. Okay, thank you.